dusty job, I guess. How's this compared to other years as far as dust?
You always got some, but it's the black moldy dust this year that's more of a problem. And you can feel it too in your lungs or stuff. You're trying to be really careful this year.
How many total acres of corn do you have?
We got about 600.
Now this is blown down quite a bit and everything. You're on top of a ridge. I mean, how much of a problem was the wind this year because of the dry conditions, the stalk rot and everything?
For the most part, a lot of this didn't help it going down too, and what corn you get, you're picking up the moisture that's starting to rot on the cobs. Usually we don't have near this problem. I don't know if we had more of a wind problem and a timing problem too, and it just didn't come back up. The later the corn was planted, it seems like the better it's standing.
When did this get planted?
This is around the end of April, 26th, 27th.
What are your thoughts? What do you think this is running in here?
Well, I would guess maybe at that 75, 80.
What are your thoughts about that? 75, 80?
It's about half of what it should be. It's probably, moisture-wise, it's probably in that mid-20s, upper 20s, but you gotta get it off. It's just gonna get worse. You might as well keep plugging away, because it's taking twice as long to get through it too.